Hello again, everyone. Today I am setting up Priscilla's new bird cage. Now, there's nothing really wrong with the current cage she has. It's not really ideal for stretching her wings and being able to turn about very well. It's a pretty good sized cage, but the shape of it is not ideal for like flying. And since I work every day, I want to give her a cage that she could fly around a little bit easier if she wanted to and get a little bit more exercise. So, take my trusty scissors and break into this box. Okay, so now we have everything out of the box. Let's get this out of the So, one thing I am going to mention that this cage did include dowel perches. I do not recommend dowel perches. They are bad for your bird's feet. Also, when assembling a cage, make sure you have your feline assistant to assist you. I'm not going to recommend these instructions. These instructions are really confusing. Select back panel 2, first set up tips for step 2 to step 6. Screws the screws in halfway. Make sure the doors are facing out. I just want to stop for a minute and say, this is pitiful right here. Look at that. It is like bent and it moves really easily. Like if my bird really wanted to, she could probably just go like, eh. So yeah, I'm gonna have to reinforce this somehow. Look at this. Look at this. It's supposed to be a hole, but it's not punched all the way through. 5 out of 5 on Amazon. High quality product. Not really. So we finally got the cage all put together. In the end, we weren't missing any parts. It's just that the instructions were really, really bad. But together with my husband, we were able to figure it out and get it together okay. So initially Priscilla wasn't sure what to think about it. It wasn't, you know, her usual cage. So she was a little scared at first when it was bedtime, but she seems really excited now. She seems to be really enjoying it now. So yeah, as far as the cage goes, it's okay. I mean, the quality isn't the best, but for the price, I'd say it's worth it. It's a pretty good sized cage for one cockatiel, as you can see.